Hands for Isabel.
What's your wish?
Is the tallest building. Very good. What is the tallest building in Singapore? What's the tallest building in the whole world? Burj Khalifa. Very good. Okay, you got the prize also. Okay, so now take the freshman girl. Okay, so now here is my last question. Then we will proceed to our next game. Now, for my last question, who knows the answer? What are the 7 Emirates of the UAE? Okay, who knows the answer? Okay, go from here. Okay, puro lalaki, ha? Okay, what are the 7 Emirates of the UAE?
Dubai, Abu Dhabi,
Sharjah,
Al
Kuwait, 2 more. Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah. Very good. Yes. Do you have a question? Are you allergic to the bird now? Okay, so wow. Kaya na lang hito. May hito kayo dyan. Okay, let me change it. Are you allergic in the dog? Okay, so now, allergic to any stuffed toys? Okay, so now, here we go. Mommy, do you have a cash? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, kids, okay, for those winners, put your stuffed toys. Happy birthday to you. Very good, come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time, let's make it faster. Clap your hands all together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Isa, before you blow your birthday candle, let's count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle, Isa. Okay, so guys, stay where you are. Isa, happy 7th birthday for the birthday. Okay guys, please remain standing for a while because Isa's birthday will not be completed. There will be no wishes coming from Mommy.